Okay, I'm doing a product review of this particular website, Stella, alright, which is a stellainfo.com on this SS database repair software. Alright, so you can see the back portion here is SS database repair. So it's going to span over a number of video clips. Okay. So the first thing of course you can download it right over here. This is the download itself. It's a free download, but of course if you want everything, then there is a activation key. Okay, so the first thing that actually caught my eye is, where is it? Give me a moment. It's down here. All right, which is the technical spec. So it says here, all right, basically it support all this version. Okay, okay, and it runs all the way back to your Windows 7, all right, and consume just 4G of memory. Well, of course 8G is the recommended. So what I did is basically I download this this database repair, which is the SS database repair, and I actually dig out my very old laptop, okay, and install it. All right, so I just install it into a Win 7 just to see whether does it really runs on it. Okay, so it's over here, and let me just try to run this. Okay, there is no problem with the installation, and it seems to be running. Okay, so you can see the you can see the tools. Okay, the tool itself. All right, of course the subsequent clips, okay, of mine will actually go through the tool itself, and we will try to test out the other feature that it has made claim. But so far, being able to run with only 4G is actually quite interesting. All right, it's a quite good compact software itself.